Okay, fine. So this is a short, very short, quick video. I just want to show you a quick use case because one thing I know that SEO is really very important. So if you talk about digital marketing, if you're talking about search engine optimization or Google Ads or email marketing, social media, all these things are very important. One of the strategy that I really love, which is bringing a lot of business to us, which is search engine optimization, SEO, which is really very important. And I'll be starting search engine optimization in my evening batch. I just want to share a quick use case because we are practicing SEO from last 18 years. Keep this in mind, and we do have very good traffic when we compare our traffic with some other websites. We do have a very good website traffic as of now. So let me show you. So before a month, me and my team was planning to target some very important words, and we started working on one word which is very important and which is really very crucial for all the SEO agencies in Ahmedabad, and this is known as SEO company in Ahmedabad. You can see I'm on SEMrush as of now. You can see my screen. So if I search, let's say SEO company in Ahmedabad. So this was the word we started targeting because we just want to make sure that people who are looking for SEO company, they should find Brandveda as well. This is so important, and this is one of the keyword which a lot of people search every month. So this has got very good volume. So when we talk about search engine optimization, we want to have a very good brand visibility online. We want to rank on some very important keywords, because I can tell you, when people search for transactional keywords like SEO course in Ahmedabad, or let's say digital marketing course in Ahmedabad, or let's say SEO company in Ahmedabad, these words are very important for our business. So we started chasing this word, which is SEO company in Ahmedabad. And what we did is, you can see that volume is 4.4k, keyword difficulty is 35%. And I can tell you, all SEO agencies in Ahmedabad, they are targeting this word because this is the most search word. You can see 4.4k, this alone word is having 4.4k volume. And the best part is, what is happening is, if I go to Google and search, you can see that it is coming in the first position. This is Brandveda is coming in the first position. So we started working on this content, and so I'll show to you. So SEO company in Ahmedabad. So if I search, you can see that this is our local listing, and you can see that our listing is at #1 position. So I'm going to talk about in my class, how you're gonna do search engine optimization, how you're gonna plan SEO part, straight from creating website, developing internal links, backlinks, doing audit. We're gonna talk a lot of things. I just want to show, when we started working on this, we created this content. You can see that. And when we started optimizing this page, I'm talking about a month back, couple of months back, we were at position page number 2 and 3, and then we decided, okay, let's push this page. Let's try to rank this page on the first page of Google search engine. This is important. And one of the key reason is, you can see that SEO company in Ahmedabad, and this is an article that we have written. So we have worked on the content, we have done SERP analysis, we have written this content, and then with the help of some softwares, we started with content audit as well, because auditing is so important. And then we started working on backlinks. So we started creating very good backlinks in order to rank, and the result is in front of us, which is SEO company in Ahmedabad. We are ranking at #1 position, and we do have very good traffic on our website as well. Now when we rank, we are getting a lot of opportunities, because most of the agencies, they are now contacting us for for writing about their brand on this page. So we are getting a lot of collaborations requests now, and I just want to show you in this quick video that this is the latest use case of ranking SEO company in Ahmedabad on the first page. So we practice SEO day in day out, and I can tell you, we write a lot of blogs. So we have written around, you can look at our blogs. We have written a lot of blogs, and we try to rank these blogs on Google search engine page. Not only in this, we rank for a lot of words. Probably I'll put another video to show you what all keywords we are ranking as of now. And you can see that these are the blogs. So when we talk about SEO, it's all about visibility. We started working on content audit. We're working on internal links. We started working on page title or meta description or alt tag, and also we worked on the backlink part. We started generating links, because I know that if I want to come here, I need to have backlinks. You see that these are the websites, these are the companies who are ranking on SEO company in Ahmedabad. So these are agencies, and here you can find our link at #1 position. So I'm going to talk about all the use cases, proven cases, what exactly need to be done when you want when you're targeting any keywords. So which is very important. So join me in evening batch. Uh, so I'm starting with SEO, and this will give you a lot of ideas. So if you have a business, I can tell you that this session going to be a game changer for your business, because I'm going to tell you all the strategies that is working for us, tried and tested by us. And we also going to talk about approach, how you should be approached, and it's all going to be data driven, because I can tell you SEO is all about data driven. And then we started pumping money into this content because we want to rank for this word. And so we'll be talking about all these use cases. So we'll be talking about tools which has helped us to do content audit straight from Market Muse to Surfer SEO. So this is an amazing software that we use. So I'm going to give you access to all of you, so that you can work on this software. These are all best softwares that exist on the planet Earth, because all big SEO people, they use this software. You can check their pricing as well. So you can see that, so we have this plan which is $69 plan. I'm gonna give you some content audit, and you can start looking into content audit. So my goal is, I just want to make sure that you just don't learn SEO, you do it. And one of the best way to learn is by doing it. So we're gonna give you system, we're gonna give you mentorship, we're gonna give you assignments, and I'm very sure in 1.5 months you will see a lot of changes in yourself. So join me in my evening batch, and I'm going to take your business to the next level. If you're looking for a job, don't worry, we have students placed across the globe in some of the best companies. So a lot of students are working with some of the top companies in Ahmedabad, in Mumbai, in Bangalore, in Chennai as well. So thank you for this quick video. If you have any query, you can always get in touch with us. So this is a quick use case which is ranking on SEO company in Ahmedabad, and I can also show you, we are targeting some more words uh, to rank on Google search engine, and then we should be talking about what if we start ranking, how much money we're gonna make. So this is the first perspective. It means how much lead we're gonna get, how many sales we're gonna get, how many collaborations we're gonna get with other SEO professionals or other digital marketing agencies. And this is important. So SEO going to be very strategic, keep this in mind, and we'll talk in detail, and we will take you to a next level into search and optimization. Thank you so much. I wish you all the best.